Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative of the Government of India, takes back the entire country to the glorious history of its people, culture, and ethos and achievements, and also a glimpse of the modern nation that the nation has turned into in 75 years after the independence in 1947. The story of India's independence, a story of shackled days and stifling nights. This is the story of those countless freedom fighters on whose shoulders Indians stood to witness the dawn of independence. History of our country, as old as time itself, as bright as the sun, and as vast as the sky. Knowledge, science, and prosperity are woven throughout our history. It tells the tale of our mother India during the period when the British Empire imposed restrictions on it. For the sake of nation's freedom, all the individuals came together. The one with the lathi and spectacles launched a unique satyagraha. After making numerous sacrifices, foreigners fled our nation. Freedom said, I am the path, not the destination. I am just the beginning. In its maiden effort, the nation known as the Land of Snake Chambers reached Mars. Make in India. These three words have elevated our reputation around the globe today. Gandhiji told that the greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Several spiritual organizations, including Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement, inspired millions of people to embrace non-violence and become a vegetarian by choice. The two rights of New India are cleanliness and yoga. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is our extended family. So let's commemorate the 75 years of liberty, harmony, progress, and democracy. Commemorating milestones in history, commemorating unsung heroes. Like the history of the freedom movement, the journey of 75 years after independence is a reflection of the hard work, innovation, and the enterprise of ordinary Indians. Whether in the country or abroad, we Indians have proved ourselves with our hard work. The mother of democracy, India is still moving forward by strengthening democracy. So let us come together and celebrate this festival of awakening of the nation, festival of fulfilling the dream of good governance, and the festival of global peace and development. We wish you a happy 75th Independence Day. Jai Hind.